Our cities, with their towering skyscrapers and sprawling neighborhoods, are often seen as the ultimate symbols of human progress and innovation. The bustling streets, filled with people, and the constant hum of traffic seem like monuments to human achievement where nature has been pushed aside. But if you pause and look a little closer, you'll discover that we actually share these spaces with a hidden world of wildlife, quietly thriving alongside us. Urban animals aren't just occasional visitors, they're true residents, adapting to our concrete jungles in remarkable and sometimes surprising ways. For example, a peregrine falcon sees a skyscraper as a towering cliff, perfect for nesting and hunting. Meanwhile, a clever fox finds a feast in a suburban garden, making the most of what we leave behind. These creatures are true masters of adaptation, thriving in places we'd never expect, sometimes right under our noses. As cities expand and change, some species sadly vanish, unable to keep up with the pace of urban life. But others flourish, learning our routines, adapting to our schedules, and making our world their own in ingenious ways. Their resilience is a testament to life's tenacity, weaving nature into the very fabric of city life, even in the most unexpected corners. In this journey, we'll uncover the secret lives of mammals, birds, reptiles, and the many other creatures that quietly inhabit our cities. We'll meet insects and pollinators, from bees in rooftop gardens to geckos clinging to city walls, all calling our cities home. We'll witness their intelligence and resourcefulness, and discover how they flourish in a world built for us, often using our inventions to their advantage. This exploration reveals not just their stories, but also our own deep connection to the wild world around us, reminding us that nature is never far away, even in the heart of the city. When night falls, the city's wild mammals emerge. The red fox, clever and adaptable, thrives in suburbia, feasting on leftovers and navigating our streets with ease. Raccoons in North America are notorious for their dexterity, opening bins and solving urban puzzles. Grey squirrels, once forest dwellers, now leap through city parks, raiding bird feeders and planting future trees. Bats hunt insects under streetlights, while hedgehogs snuffle through gardens. Each species turns city challenges into opportunities, finding shelter and raising young in our midst. Their presence is a nightly reminder of the wild world thriving alongside us. Urban mammals enrich our environment, revealing a parallel society that awakens as we sleep. Birds are the most visible of our wild neighbors, ever present in the urban landscape, whether we notice them or not. Their silhouettes dot the skyline, and their calls echo between concrete walls, reminding us that nature is never far away. They fill city skies with life and song, weaving their melodies into the daily rhythm of urban life, from the earliest dawn to the quiet of dusk. Pigeons, descended from ancient cliff dwellers, now nest on ledges and bridges, thriving on our leftovers and adapting to every nook and cranny the city offers. The peregrine falcon, the world's fastest animal, hunts from skyscrapers, turning cities into hunting grounds where speed and precision rule. Urban raptors dive at breathtaking speeds, their hunts a spectacle against glass and steel, a reminder of wildness thriving in unexpected places. Birds ingeniously use our materials. Crows weave plastic into nests. Sparrows find shelter in building crevices, and many species collect scraps to build homes uniquely suited to city life. Some, like the robins, sing at night to be heard over daytime traffic, adapting their behavior to city rhythms and finding new ways to communicate. Their nests blend the natural and man-made, becoming symbols of adaptability and resilience in a world constantly changing around them. These avian rulers aren't just surviving, they're evolving with us, composing new verses in the ancient song of survival and shaping the city's ecosystem in subtle but profound ways. Their presence connects us to nature, even in the heart of the city, offering moments of wonder and a reminder of our shared world. Every city sunrise is a chorus of resilience and adaptation, a daily celebration of life's ability to flourish wherever it finds a foothold. In quiet corners of the city, reptiles and amphibians find surprising refuge. Frogs and newts breed in park ponds and garden water features. Their calls a wild soundtrack to urban nights. Lizards bask on sun-warmed walls and dart into cracks for safety, turning our structures into habitats. Turtles forage in slow-moving rivers and canals, ancient survivors in modern waterways. These creatures persist despite challenges. Roads fragment habitats, and pollution threatens their survival. Yet, a frog in a garden or a snake on a railway embankment signals a healthy ecosystem. Urban reptiles and amphibians are quiet commuters, vital to the city's biodiversity. Their presence is a reminder of nature's resilience, even in unexpected places. Protecting urban blue spaces is crucial for their survival. They show us that wildness can thrive just out of sight. Beneath our feet and in the air, insects form the foundation of the urban ecosystem. Bees pollinate city flowers and crops, navigating by landmarks just as we do. Ants, beetles, and woodlice break down waste, recycling nutrients and keeping green spaces healthy. Spiders, nature's pest controllers, spin webs in our buildings, catching insects drawn to our lights. Ladybirds hunt aphids, dragonflies patrol ponds, and moths dance around streetlights. The diversity of insect life supports birds, bats, and countless other creatures. This hidden world is essential. Without it, our cities would be far less vibrant. Understanding and protecting these tiny workers is key to a healthy urban environment. Urban wildlife adapts in astonishing ways. In Japan, crows drop walnuts onto roads, using cars to crack them open, timing their retrieval with traffic lights. In Austin, Texas, millions of bats roost under a bridge, emerging at dusk to devour tons of insects each night. In London's Tube, a unique mosquito species has evolved, breeding year-round and feeding on mammals underground. These stories showcase intelligence, innovation, and evolution in action. Urban environments challenge animals but also inspire remarkable solutions. Each adaptation is a testament to nature's creativity. Our cities are laboratories of evolution, where wildlife writes new survival stories every day. Cities are vibrant ecosystems, home to resilient wildlife woven into our daily lives. Even in the busiest streets and tallest buildings, nature finds a way to thrive, adapting to the ever-changing urban landscape. The presence of foxes, bees, and birds enriches our routines, connecting us to something wild and ancient. Their daily activities remind us that we share our cities with remarkable creatures, each playing a vital role in the urban ecosystem. The future of urban wildlife depends on our choices, how we design, manage, and share our spaces. Thoughtful planning can create habitats where both people and animals flourish side by side. Protecting green corridors and planting native flowers supports countless species. These green lifelines allow animals to move safely through the city, find food, and raise their young. Small actions, like securing bins or building pond ramps, make cities safer for our wild neighbors. Simple changes in our daily habits can have a big impact on the survival of urban wildlife. Education fosters empathy, turning animals from nuisances into valued residents. When we learn about their needs and behaviors, we become better neighbors to the wildlife around us. A biodiverse city is healthier, more resilient, and more inspiring for everyone. Nature in the city brings beauty, balance, and a sense of wonder to our everyday lives. By making space for nature, we invest in our own well-being and future. Our efforts today shape the cities that future generations will inherit and enjoy. We are stewards of these shared environments, responsible for their continued wonder. Every positive action, no matter how small, helps protect the magic of urban wildlife. In the wildness of our cities lies their greatest beauty, and our own connection to the natural world. By embracing and nurturing urban wildlife, we create cities that are truly alive.